In this video, we will learn serial number trick in Excel sheet. So let's start. This is my Excel sheet. I have a here two column of serial number. Here you see all serial number in one line 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Same here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. When I select these two row 4, 5, here also 4, 5, here also 4, 5 and delete this two row. When I delete it, here you see the serial number is automatically adjusted here in serial, but here the serial number not adjusted. The row is deleted, but in this column the serial number is adjusted, and in this column the serial number is not adjusted. So let's see how it's done, how to adjust the serial number when you delete any row. So let's start how it's done. First I delete this full data here. So here I'm using the aggregate function. First is equal to aggregate. Okay. Then I enter here the number. This serial number start from 2 row. Okay. So I enter here 2. Okay. Row number. Then comma. Here you see the 5 number mention ignore hidden row. So I mention here the 5. Okay. Then comma. Then select this serial number heading. Use the colon. When you click the shift plus colon, they automatically add B1 in between the colon. Then set this fix, just press the F4. I just press the F4 and bracket close plus 1 and just enter. That's it. Now I just drag this formula in below cell. Here you see now this data I already deleted, therefore is serial number is missing show. Now it's match 1330. Okay, when you select this row and delete it, here you see the serial number automatically adjust in serial, but here it's not adjusted. So hope you understand. If you like this, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.